Hello guys, hope you're fine. So today we're going to make some mashed potato. Cheesy, soft, creamy mashed potato. So just wash your potatoes, chop them into smaller sizes, and then place on a source of heat. Add salt and then let them boil until they are finely cooked. So as you can see, the water has reduced, most of it has evaporated, and the potatoes have started breaking. So I'm just adding in some milk. First add in a little milk, add in your butter, and I'm going to add in more milk after mixing the potatoes with a little milk that I put in first, plus the butter. Add in more milk. My potatoes are still on the pan. Add in the milk, then you start mashing. This is a very good tool for mashing your potatoes. So I'm just going to set them aside from the source of heat, and I'm going to mash them very well. As you can see, they're very soft, and we need them very, very soft and smooth. We don't want any lumps in our potatoes. Now I'm going to use cookie cutters and just put in some mashed potato in the cookie cutter and then place on the oven tray. And afterwards, I'm going to put on some cheese. Just put a good amount of cheese on top of each potato. And then I'll be placing this in the oven. I'm going to bake them for like 7 minutes on 180 degrees. And they'll be ready after the 7 minutes. We just need the cheese to melt. As you can see, the cheese has melted. They are very tasty. They have a milky, creamy, and cheesy taste. And of course, they look very, very beautiful. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.